Welcome back to the channel. I got 3 of these Savage Strike Special Edition. And my little nephew here is going to open it because he missed the last couple openings, so I'm going to let him open these by himself. Now if we get fucking Savage or that Link one, the one that negates, I forgot his name right now at the moment, but that would be great. But I'm building the Emancipated deck, and that Dolce card comes in this, so that would be nice. But yeah, this set is like $20 a box for a special edition, so let me just take them out the box and we'll get cracking. These are our promos.
Trickstar, Crimson Heart.
We got Grid Sweeper.
Another Crimson Heart. Yugi. White Rose.
I think that's the only one of that one we got.
Yeah.
Alright, so now let's start opening these packs. I believe we got 9 packs.
Oh, Savage. Prank Kids. Shinobi.
Nigga, god damn, you're just staring at the card. It's Uni. Alright, so we got
Guard Dragon.
a Guard Dragon. I think that one's banned over there. Got Trickstar Fusion. Another Guard Dragon. Time Thief.
Edge of the Ring.
Yeah, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this card here is banned. The super rare, cool looking card. Look at the prices later.
Kache. Legendary Secret of 6 Samurai. Prank Kids. Shinobi.
Ooh,
Ghost
not a good one. The Ultra Rare though, that's cool.
Guard Dragon Cataclysm.
I'll put this Ultra Rare over here.
Cyber Converter. Salamangreat Wolvie.
I think in Duel Links I played against those cards.
We need Borlo
It's
Savage.
a nice, cool looking Ultra Rare though.
Time Thief Flyback.
Yo, Neo Space
Mission.
Connector.
Yeah. Lost Time. Thunderclap Monk.
Got a super rare over here.
World Legacy World Arc.
This has its own.
Subterror Successor.
Successor.
Extra Ceratops. Orcus Nightmare. Subterror Blue.
Nothing good that I know of yet. We still got 5 packs left.
Tuning. Time Thief Flyback.
Another Neo Space Connector. Lost of Time.
Ooh, Elemental Hero Cosmos.
Yeah, that's cool.
Southern
Ooh, I
Great
need that.
Violet
Now I just need the
Chimera.
fusion. Cool.
Cypress Kid.
That's cool.
Time Thief Regulator. Guard Dragon. That's cool though.
Let me see this.
Probably Great looks cool.
See what it does.
He looked at it for like 3 seconds. Shinran Yu, Swordmaster.
Speak loud.
Performer Pal, Clay Breaker. Salomon Grave.
Parrot. Peril. Ooh, that's a good one.
Guard Dragon Pisty.
Yeah.
Isn't it worth like $1?
I don't know how much it's worth. It's just a good card for the Dragon decks. And there you go. That's what I need. My fusion for the Salomon Great. And people don't really use that card no more, but I like it. I'm gonna throw it in there just for the laughs and giggles.
Clark Lizard. Super Armor Robot Iron Black Iron Sea. Time Thief Hack. Shinryu Style.
I didn't get no Midolce cards yet. So we got one Ultra Rare.
Shinryu Swordmaster. Performer Power Clay Breaker. Salomon Grey Peril. Guard Dragon Garmides. Faithful Hour.
It's cool looking awkward though. Ooh, Rocket Synchro, that's a good one.
Shinryu Style Success. Orcus Nightmare. Physic Tracker.
Psychic Tracker. His butt. That physics. Oh shit. That's hilarious.
Eve L2. Performer Power Clay Breaker.
Salomon Great.
Peril.
Ooh, another LP. Oh, we got both the LPs. Hell yeah.
LP and Pisty. Guard Dragon Cataclysm.
That's a motherfucking
Cyber
bet.
Converter. Shinryu. Guard Dragon. Time Thief.
That's great. We got both the LP.
And
Got the
Pisty.
brothers.
Tuning. Prank Kid. Cataclysmic Scorching Sunburner. Legendary Secret of the Six Samurai.
What the fuck? Neo's fusion. What is that?
Detonate the Leader. Super Armored Robot Iron Black Iron Sea.
Ooh,
Red
Red Rising
Rising
Dragon. That's cool.
Guard Dragon.
Alright, last pack.
Can we get them all of those?
Dang, at least one of the Dolce. I wanted to buy a box, but that shit was like $200. It's a lot.
Evil 2. Legendary Secret of the Six Samurai. Prank Kids.
Got a bunch. Ooh, we got a
Witch's
secret.
Trial. Ooh.
Probably not the one we won, not the money card, but gee, that's dope. Look at that, he pulled a secret.
Ooh, $6.02.
Oh, this destroys. If let's say your opponent negates a normal to special summon of a monster, activation of a card or effect, destroy all cards in your opponent controls and in their hands. He can pretty much wipe everything.
So that works against some would it?
Yeah. But like I said, it just has to be set. Cool card.
World Legacy World Arc. Settlement Great Wolfie. Psychic Tracker. Super Armored Robot Arm Black Iron Sea.
Another Red Rising Dragon. So that's it for the opening. Do a quick highlight of what we pulled. We got one Ultra Rare, Ghost Meets Girl. Not a pricey card, but a fucking great art. Look at that shit. And then our Secret Reds Wish Strike. Cool. And you know, our Super Reds, the probably that you got both the LP and the Pitch D. You got Neos Fusion, Faithful Hour, I'm trying to find the pirate and shit. Elemental Hero Cosmo Neos, Thunderclap Monk, and a Guard Dragon Art Pain. I believe which is banned, I'm not entirely sure. It's not gonna tell you on here. Also you got, you know, these are our rares. Rocket Synchron, Fusion of Fire, and the Salmon Gray. I'm building Salads, so that's cool. So yeah, cool pulls. And I'm also, you know, writing down the prices, which I'm gonna put at the end when I edit the videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, we out. Stay safe.